children. I'm Joy. Today I have a very fun story about shopping. Have you ever been food shopping? Have you ever been to Mart or market with your mom? Today I'll become an elephant in the story and I will take you to the market for food shopping. Are you ready to go with me? Let's go!
Go to the market.
Oh, let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market. I have a shopping list. Today, we will buy those 4 things on the shopping list.
Carry the bag, please.
What do we need for food shopping? A list, shopping list, and a bag. So carry the bag, please.
Okay!
Yay! Food shopping time! Yay! Okay, let's go!
Look at this list.
Now we are at the market. I got the cart, shopping cart, and look at the list. What do we need? We need squid, potatoes, and peaches, and one toy for you. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Sure I can.
Yay! I can help my mom. I love shopping. It'd be so fun. Sure, I can. I can help you. Look at this. What is our first place? Yes, fishing market. Here I will get squeeze. Follow me.
Fish, fish, get your fish. Nice and fresh, fish. 2 squids, please.
2 squeeze, please. Look at me. 2 squeeze, please. Did I do a good job? Yes. 2 squeeze, please.
Great job.
Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Potatoes, potatoes, come get your potato.
Did you hear that? Potatoes, potatoes. That's what I need. Let's go there.
Potatoes, onions, potatoes. They're on sale this week. Come get them.
There are potatoes!
Oh,
There are potatoes. Let's run. There are potatoes. Run with me, go.
oh! You should walk here.
You should walk here. I wanted to just get potatoes quickly. But no run. No running at the market. You should walk here. No, walk here. Let's go to the next market.
So,
What smell is this? Sausage and bacon. I love them.
sausage. Sausage. Fresh cooked sausage.
Nice.
You wanna taste some? I will. Oh, ooh, so good. So tasty.
Oh, can I buy sausages? Can I buy bacon?
Mom, can I buy sausages? Can I buy bacon? I love them.
Look at the list, please.
Look at the list, please. Mom's angry. Look at the list, please. What do we have on the list? Squid, potato, peach, and toy. There's no sausage. There's no bacon. So no sausage and no bacon.
Is
Oh.
But let's go to the next market.
bananas, apples, oranges, peaches. Come and get.
Ah, we found the fruit market here. Yay! I need 4 peaches here. Look at me.
Get them. They're on sale now.
4 peaches, please.
4 peaches, please. I'm doing so great. 4 peaches, please.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, Mom, hurry up.
Oh.
So now we got 2 squids, potatoes, 4 peaches. 1 more is left. Do you know what it is? It's for me. You wanna follow me? Yes, let's go. Yay, toy shop! I love toys. Now it's my turn.
I love this puzzle. Oh, wow. I love this car.
I found 2 good toys for me today. I love this puzzle. I love this car. I'm gonna get both of them. I'm gonna ask my mom. Mom, I love this puzzle and I love this car. Can I get both of them?
Oh, sweetie. Choose one, please.
My mom said, choose one, please. Only choose one. Which one should I choose? Puzzle? Car?
Okay.
So I chose the car, red car. Now it's time to pay. It's time to give money.
Here you are.
My mom's paying. Here you are. My mom's paying with her credit card. Here you are. Thank you. Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, it's full.
Look at my cart. It's full. I have lots of things in the car. It's full.
This is my shopping list.
Yay, now we're home. This time, I made my shopping list. You want to see what I have on my list? I have 5 candies, 5 bars of chocolate, and 5 oranges. Yay! Now food shopping again. Hello children! Today I will be an elephant in the story and I will take you to the market for food shopping. Have you ever been to food shopping? It'll be so fun today. Are you ready to follow me? Let's go! Let's go to the market. Can you carry the bag, please? Yay! Shopping time! Mom, here's the bag. Yay! Let's go to the market. Here's your shopping list. It's our shopping list today. Yay! Look at the list. And can you help me? Yeah, sure I can. I can help you. Today we have to buy squeeze, potatoes, peaches, and toy for me. Yay! Ta-da! Yay! We're at the market. First, I need to get squeezed. Fish! Fish! Fish on sale! There's a fish market. Let's go there. 2 squeeze, please. 2 squeeze, please. Oh, here you are. Yay, I got the squeeze. Mom, here's squeeze. Ooh, great job. Thanks, Mom. What's next? Potato. Let's go to the vegetable market. There's vegetable. Potato, please. You should walk here. Okay, Mom. But here's potato. What smell is this? Look at that! Sausage and bacon! I love sausages. I love bacon. So good, so delicious. Mom, can I buy some sausages? Can I buy some bacon? I want them. They're so delicious. Look at the list, please. Look at the list. There's no sausage. There's no bacon. What's next on the list? Now fruit, because I need to buy 4 peaches. Let's walk. Can I have 4 peaches, please? 4 peaches, please. Here you are. Yay, I got 4 peaches. Mom, I got 4 peaches here. Mom, hurry up. Now it's my turn. It's for me and Toy. Hurry up, Mom. Yay, toys. should I get? I love both of them. Puzzle or car? Mom? No. Choose one, please. Look at the list. Choose one, please. Then I will choose the car. Good job. And now we're gonna pay. Here you are. This is my card. Wow, look at this. It's full. We have lots of things in the card. It's full. Now, home time. Yay, we're home now. Mom, look at this. This is my shopping list. I made my list. I want to buy 5 candies, 5 bars of chocolate, 5 oranges next time. It'll be fun. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, children. I'm Joy. Today, I will take you to shopping. Have you ever been shopping, food shopping with your mom? Today, we're gonna go to the market for food shopping. Are you ready to go shopping with me? Okay, let's go. Go to the market. Let's go to the market. Carry the bag, please. Yay, shopping time. Okay, I will carry the bag. Look at this list. Can you help me? My mom asked me to help her. Yay, I'm so excited. Sure, I can. Yes. Okay, can you go to the fish market and can you get 2 squeeze, please? Okay, then I should say 2 squid, please. Can you say that together? 2 squeeze, please. Yay, now I got the squeeze. Great job, my son. Great job. Thanks, Mom. Can you say that together? Thanks, Mom. Good job. Now we have to get some vegetables. Yay, there are potatoes. Yay, there are potatoes. I'm running to the potatoes. No running, son. No running at the market. But I got the potatoes. Yes, but can you run at the market? No. Can you say no running together to the elephant? You ready? No running. No running. We just walk. Walk. No running. Look at this! Ooh, there's sausages and bacon. Can you smell them? Sausages. Bacon. I love them. But our elephant friend loves them as well, I think. Mom, can I buy some sausages? Can I buy some bacon? But look at this. Can you see the list? Look at the list. There's squid, potato, peach, and toy. Can you see any bacon? Can you see any sausages? there's no sausage on the list. So Mom said, look at the list, please. Okay, pass the bacon, pass the sausage. Ooh, this time we came to the fruit market. Look at this. What's this? Bananas. And what's this? Yay, strawberry. And this? Pineapple. And what about this one? Apple. Good job. But we need peaches. Do you remember? We need 4 peaches. So can you say with the elephant together? 4 peaches, please. Can you say it one more time? 4 peaches, please. Good job. Mom, hurry up. We got 2 squeeze, potatoes, and 4 peaches. Now only one's left. What's that? Yay, toy! Now we're at the toy store. So our elephant friend said, I love this puzzle. I love this car. I want to have both of them. Mom, I love this puzzle. And I love this car. But do you remember the list? How many toys are they supposed to get? Only 1 toy. Good job. So Mom said, no. Choose 1, please. How many? Choose 1, please. Okay. So our elephant friend chose only 1 toy, just like the list. So now it's time to pay. It's time to give money. Here you are. Look at the cart. Do you know shopping cart? Yes, it's full. Wow, it's full. We got potatoes, squeeze, 4 peaches, and my toy car. Yay! So Mom gave her card. She pays for them. So can you say that together? Here you are. Can you say that one more time? Here you are. And she said, oh, thank you. Thank you. Now they are home, and our elephant friend, he made his own shopping list. You want to see what he has on the list? Ooh, look at this. 5 candies, 5 bars of chocolate, and 5 oranges. Ooh, what a good list. Looks yummy. And he said, this is my shopping list. So today, when you go home, what about making your own shopping list and go food shopping with your mom together to the market? Did you enjoy the story? Goodbye!